two programs I'll be using are AutoCAD and SketchUp. It's recommended you refer back to my programs tutorial before watching this. We will start by drafting a blueprint from which we will derive all the pieces from. Make 9 1x1 squares. I do this by copying and pasting the same square 8 times. Next, make a circle in the center with a radius of 1 inch. Delete everything that's inside of the circle. I use the select all and the trim commands here. Use the line tool to make a vertical and a horizontal line through the center. We will offset these lines 0.25 inches in both directions. Delete the two center lines. They were just for reference. I again use the trim and the all commands here. I draw these two lines just so I can measure the angle, which will become important in the second part of the tutorial. First piece we're going to make is the corner piece. Start by again using the trim all command to remove everything but one of the corners. Here you see that I use a length of 0.56 inches. This is just a length I found works well. We'll first make the body for this piece. Copy and paste the main body and use the line tool to fill in the missing edges. Use the mirror tool to make 2 more faces of the cube, and the square tool to make the last 3. Copy and paste the head and mirror it twice. Now this may be a little confusing, so you'll have to watch this several times. I use the line tool to get different measurements of the original drawing, and then copy it over to our new drawing. I also use the circle tool to make another dimension. Now use the mirror tool to mirror over the same features that I do in the video. This part will be glued to this part. Now we have a finished corner piece. Go to the second part of the tutorial for the rest.